In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar. We'll build it in Trello, so whether you're brand new or just polishing your workflow, you'll walk away with a clean, repeatable setup you can use right away. Start by creating a fresh space for your calendar. Log into your Trello account, then look to the top of the dashboard and click the plus icon labeled Create. Choose Create Board. Give it a clear, relevant name. Content Calendar works perfectly, and click Create. A dedicated board keeps everything in one place, so you can plan, track, and review without bouncing between tools. Next, shape your workflow with lists, which act like Kanban columns and represent each stage of your process. On the far right of your board, click Add another list. Set up a simple 3-stage flow to begin. Backlog, or to do for ideas and upcoming work, doing or in progress for items you're actively tackling, and done for completed tasks. If your process has more nuance, add extra lists like planning, review, testing, or blocked. Choose only what you truly need. Fewer, clearer stages make it easier to keep momentum and spot bottlenecks. Now it's time to populate your board with task cards, each one representing a single piece of content or work item. In your first list, click Add a card and type an actionable title, like Draft Q3 Report, then press Enter. Keep titles concise and start with a strong verb so you can scan quickly. Drag cards up or down to reflect priority, with the most urgent items at the top. As work progresses, simply move cards left to right across your lists to visualize progress at a glance. Open any card to enhance it with the details your team needs. Add a checklist to break down the work into smaller, trackable steps. Research, outline, draft, review, publish. Use labels to categorize and prioritize. Color-coded tags like urgent, bug, or design make it easy to filter and focus during busy weeks. Set a due date so deadlines are explicit and reminders keep you on track. For a timeline-friendly view of everything coming up, click on the views and change to calendar view. Seeing your cards laid out by date helps you balance workload, avoid conflicts, and spot gaps where you can schedule more content. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.